Happy birthday, J. Cole, January 28th. Aquarius season, and he's 41 today. Salute, J. Cole, man. The legend, the myth, the man, the bars, the GOAT, top 5, man. Salute, man. Do it B.I.G. for your birthday. You know what I mean? Salute. Yeah, man. J. Cole, the GOAT, man. The legend, man. Shit. Remember that song, January 28th, where he went in? He said it's Douce all night. And then when Ho come, you know what I mean, we switched to Douce. What'd he say? Nights full of Henny. When Hove around, we switch up to Douce. Some lyrics from the song January 28th. Yo, salute. One of J. Cole's classic albums. Let's read this. What do you say? You might be Drizzy Drake or Kendrick Lamar. You know what I mean? Yeah, go re-listen to January 28th, man. He was talking that ish. And everything he said on this track 2, you know what I mean? Where he's talking about Jay-Z. He addressing, you know what I mean? Him falling off, you know? Telling the story. That's on this track 2, J. Cole tell a story from the end to the beginning like Nas. Rewind. Nas tell a story from the end to the beginning. But salute, J. Cole. Happy birthday, bro. Do it B.I.G., man. J. Cole, the legend, the GOAT, the myth, the man. Shit. Yeah, go check out this song, January 28th. Mr. 26. For real, yo. Mr. 26. Can't wait for the album, The Fall Off. February 6th, man. Classic already. You already know. Happy birthday, J. Cole. 41, man. Shit. You ain't the God, nigga. Yeah, happy birthday, J. Cole. You know J. Cole released Birthday Blizzard 26 on his birthday today. 5 classic songs on, and I mean legendary beats. And he got legendary DJ Clue hosting it, man. Like a classic mixtape, man. On the Victory beat, J. Cole addressed the big 3 and he pop his thing, you know what I mean? He talk about how he fell out of the top 3 with everybody, man. But he do better when they doubt him or whatever. So, yeah. And then couple Biggie beats he go win, man. Here's the track listing right here. Golden Goose, that's one of my favorites. The Winter Storm, that's ill. Go check that out. J. Cole. I like the wordplay, the delivery. Remind me of like the warm-up J. Cole, where he's just all bars studded, man. Yo, J. Cole got bars, man. Got the flows. Solid project, man. 9 out of 10, man. Go check out this J. Cole Birthday Blizzard 26, man. Just came out today on his birthday, January 28th, man. I can't wait for the fall off, man. They be rapping like this. Classic already. So, yeah, J. Cole, do it B.I.G. for your birthday, man. Thank you for this Birthday Blizzard 26 project mixtape. You know what I mean? What better gift to give yourself and your fans? You know what I mean? I mean, a ill project like Birthday Blizzard 2-6, 9 out of 10, man. Bars, beat selection, got DJ Clue. Yo, salute, man. Like, share, subscribe, follow me. Thanks.